Say good.
Good.
Okay, tell them what you're about to do.
Open the bag.
This is a special bag from Grandma and Papa Joe. What do you think is in there? You're sticking your head in the bag.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Is this stuff for? Hold it.
I don't know. There's something in the bag for you. Look in the bag.
Hey, did you trick me?
No, just keep looking. Tell Gran and Papa Joe what you're pulling out.
I found a Pluto, a Daisy, an Elsa dress, a shirt, another shirt.
What's on the shirt?
Elsa Nana, Elsa dress.
You had an elephant shirt?
Hmm?
Whoa.
Elsa.
No, Elsa shirt.
Tell her loud.
Elsa shirt! Elsa Nana!
Wow. I wonder what the elephant shirts are for.
That's weird. And then we got Pluto.
Maddie, what are all these things that you're pulling out?
Stuffed animal.
But who? Where?
I see this!
Maddie, Grandma's asking you something. Oh, now a big sign just got pulled out of the bag.
Oh,
Gran and Papa Joe are gonna read that sign to you. They're gonna tell you what it says.
Alright.
okay, Papa Joe. What's it say?
I don't know!
Where would you like to go in a couple weeks?
Disney World!
Okay, you can come to our house, but we have another great big surprise Papa Joe's going to tell you. You want to go to Disney World and see Frozen?
Yes!
You want to go to Disney World and go on the ride? What about Isabel? Should we take Isabel?
Yes!
Do you think it's a good place?
A dress to wear?
Do you think it's a good place to take all this stuff?
Yes!
Just hold on. Isabel, do you want to go to Disney World?
Nope. I found this Rapunzel dress. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Izzy, you want to go see Flynn Rider and Rapunzel?
Uh-huh.
We're gonna go see where they live.
I can't believe it.
What did she say?
She goes, I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Maddie.
Isabel, do you have a dress to wear to see Frozen?
Uh-huh. Does she see Rider?
Yes. That's going to be so fun.
Does she see Rider?
We're gonna see Flynn Rider, yeah.
Well, what about you can see Mickey Mouse, Cinderella?
Ooh, we can see everybody down there. Wow, Maddie.
Wow.
What are these supposed to be, Mom?
I think you can put water in there. They're drink boxes.
Maddie, Grandma told you something.
Huh?
How are we going to get down there? Are we going to walk?
Drive.
Drive? Wait a minute, what's that a picture of?
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Is that a picture of you?
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
What is
Oh.
Oh, Maddie, there's the Magic Castle. Here, look. Whoa.
Incredible.
The Incredibles, yeah. We're gonna see all the Disney stuff.
Disney. What's this?
I don't know, probably fell out of something.
Where is she? It opens.
It's just a piece of paper.
It's nothing.
We're still going through the bag.
Oh, they're not finished?
No, she's going through the bag.
So wait.
Taking thing out one item at a time. Measuring each one.
You wanna go on that ride? You gonna go on the roller coasters? Whoa.
She saw the dwarf ride.
Oh my gosh, that's a new one.
Cool.
Are you sure you want to go to Disney World, Maddie?
Yes.
You sure? Are you gonna be bored when we get there?
No.
What do you want to do when we get there?
I want to do everything.
You go on all the rides?
Bonus.
You want to go on that? All right. They have a Frozen sing-along, and they have a Peter Pan ride, and they have Pirates
Pirates.
of the Caribbean.
Ah! Well, you already ate all America.
Yep.
What's this?
I got the magic wand.
Ooh, what are these?
I think they're lanyards to keep your tickets on. Oh, awesome.
Princess stickers.
And they light up.
Shoes are like that.
There's stickers that light up, I guess.
All right, all right, all right.
Okay.
Just press it, Maddie. Just press it like this. See? Cool. All right. Can you say thank you to Gran and Papa Joe?
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, you're welcome. I can't wait till we get there. Hey, Isabel.
Yeah, she's.
We're gonna stay at the same place that you're gonna stay.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa, you gonna stay with Gran and Papa Joe? Cool.
They have big pools down there, Maddie. There's a big pool at the place we're gonna stay.
Daddy can show you a picture. I think they have two big pools, and we can see the fireworks. And there's a beach and a monorail.
Cool.
It's only 2 weeks away, Maddie.